got another hack. It's live. Go get them before they fix. I don't know if they're gonna fix this or not because I don't know the price on this one. I actually haven't seen the Ridgid buy one get one free yet, and if I have, I already forgot what the price is. But yes, guys, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way to run the platform. My subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so, guys. So it's 169. It's from 317 is that dropped to 169. I don't know if this one is 199 regular price. See, right now is the time where the new deals come and the old ones are still there, and they overlap on top of each other. So this is the 18 volt 6 amp hour 4 amp hour max output high. I can't talk. Output lithium ion batteries and charger kit with bag. And you get 2 tools for free. What? 2 tools for free? Is this correct? So this one says buy one get one free, but this one says 2 tools for free. So if you guys want to take that to your Lowe's or your Home Depot, my bad, I should have said that word. To your Home Depot, you guys could get that order so you guys can show them this picture. That's what it says right there. All right. So it's 169. I think this one's supposed to be 199. So let's go to the free gift with purchase. And I'll leave you guys the link down below on the description section of this video. You can select from the high output battery. It's a 4 amp hour battery valued at 139. You can select from the cordless switchable angle grinder. This is the 4.5 valued at 176. The brushless cordless 7¼ circular saw to only 179. The cordless oscillating multi-tool at 139. You can select from the cordless brushless reciprocating saw valued at 179. The spotlight valued at 99. You got the fixed base router valued at 149. The octane brushless jigsaw valued at 149. And that's it. It looks like that's it. We're gonna select the angle grinder, or this. Yeah, the circular is probably the best deal. So add both to cart. All right. So for the tools, you guys are gonna be able to get them for $86, around $86 or less. So this is a 7¼ circular saw. Check this out. The batteries and charger, you're gonna get them for $82. That's a killer deal, guys. I think they screwed up on this one. I don't think it's 169. I think it's 199. So make sure you guys run and get all of the Ridgid deals you guys need to get for the holidays, because today is the day and tomorrow won't be the day. Correct me if I'm wrong on the comments if this is 169 or this is 199 if you guys know. That way we can know for sure. But if not, then the deals are live. The Black Friday deals are live and the holiday deals are live. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.